Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be doing a makeup look using two palettes from Bakerie. And if you're not already subscribed to our channel, please subscribe below.
The two palettes that we're going to use today are the Coffee and Cocoa palette and the Scoops palette. The Coffee and Cocoa palette is primarily bronzer and highlights, and the other palette is primarily blushes and highlights. And we did a swatch of both of the palettes here so you can see what they look like on both of our skin tones. So this is the Coffee and Cocoa palette, and this is the Scoops palette. I'm just calling it the Scoops palette because I do not know how to pronounce the French word, which is the second part of the name. We're gonna do a full face using both of these, and also we're doing a giveaway on Instagram where you can win both of these palettes. So make sure to head over to Instagram, and our username is bronzeblog, and just follow us in Beauty Bakery, and other rules are there, and try to win. Okay, so we're gonna be starting with our eyes first, and we're going to use the Coffee and Cocoa palette. In this palette, I am going to use La Vida Mocha. Let me bring it closer. This color right here. And what color are you using?
I'm gonna use Deja Brew as my transition. And I'm gonna use Anti-Depresso and La Vida Mocha somehow. We'll see what we come up with. See.
Okay.
It works. I think I could use this as a contour also a little bit.
I was gonna say it's a really nice like bronzy look on you.
Yeah.
Whoa, it sure is pigmented.
Yeah.
It has a really nice shimmer to it, like La Vida Mocha.
Yeah.
And it's so pigmented and it goes on really well.
Yeah, I love that it's a warm color.
A+. I really like this color, that's why.
I know.
Like, I wasn't expecting it to look this good.
I liked it from the swatch.
Yeah?
Yeah, it looks good already.
I guess I didn't know it was gonna be like this
Pigmented.
warm and pigmented. And just the shimmer too, because it's not like, I don't know how to explain it. It's not like that kind of aggressive glitter.
Yeah, it's not glittery. It's shimmery, yeah.
But like in a really nice, subtle way. I'm gonna just stick with La Vida Mocha on my bottom.
I don't know how to describe Anti-Depresso. It has like purple, right? Purple bronze. Chocolatey? I don't know.
I was gonna say it's like a chocolate bronze. Yeah. But are you using it? Yeah, it's definitely chocolatey. It's nice.
Yeah, I love it. I'm gonna do the inner corner with Beignet from the Scoops palette. Okay, I'm done with my eyes. So I'm gonna put lashes while she finishes.
I'm about finished. I'm about to put my mascara on.
So we just finished our eyes, just throw on some lashes and mascara, and then now we're gonna do contour, blush, bronzer, highlight using the two palettes again.
Yeah, so I'm going to use from the Coffee and Cocoa palette for my like contour and bronzer and highlight. I'm going to use a reverse contour using the Deja Brew. Then I'm going to use Anti-Depresso as like a bronzer, and then I'm going to use You're Grounded as my highlight. And also from the Scoops palette, I'm going to use French Tarte as my blush.
I'm gonna try using the Deja Brew as my contour bronzer type thing. You're Grounded also, maybe like a bronzer highlight kind of mix. And then I'm gonna use Creme Brûlée as my blush, and also mix in Beignet as a highlight. I think it's a good contour.
Contouring.
Mm-hmm.
I think it would need to be a little bit lighter for me for like a reverse contour. That's just my opinion. It's kind of like blending right into my skin.
Yeah.
But I think for darker skin tones, it'd be a really good reverse contour. The Deja Brew, is the one we're talking about. Good job.
Blend. Yeah, I like that. Let's see how your grounded works. A little highlight mix.
You're grounded?
Yeah. I think it's dark.
Let me
I
see.
think it's too dark for me.
Why?
Hold on. Okay, if I blend it with my finger.
Let me
It's
see.
fine.
Yeah, it's not too dark. I could barely see it the first time when you put it on.
Okay. Okay, creme brulee. It's a nice
What's that?
peachy pink kind of mix.
A creme brulee?
Yeah. And then highlight.
I like all of it. It's very pigmented. Like you only need a little bit.
Yeah.
I feel like.
Especially the coffee and cocoa palette.
Yeah.
So to finish this, I'm gonna use Beignet on top of where I put your grounded.
I think. Yeah, I like your grounded a lot. I think it's a tie. I don't know. I haven't gotten to the Scoops palette yet, but I definitely like the coffee and cocoa one a lot because I think they're all
I like this highlight.
really compatible with my skin.
Highlight is popping. Okay, I think I'm done. And then just you put on the lips.
I'm gonna add a little here over your grounded. Okay, so now French Tarte on the cheeks.
Yeah, it's pigmented.
I'm a really big fan of bold cheeks.
I know.
Did you use the pink truffle?
No.
I'll go ahead and top it off.
Do a mix. Okay, so now we're just gonna finish off our looks with some lip whips. I'm gonna use Fortune Cookie.
And I am going to use s'mores, and I'm going to use the You're Grounded from the Coffee and Cocoa palette for a little highlight in the center.
And if you want to see how all the lip whips, well, 12 of the lip whips looked on both of us, we have a video reviewing with lip swatches. You should check that out.
This is some really pigmented stuff. So now we're going to tell you what we thought about the palettes after we created this full face look. Let's start off with the Coffee and Cocoa.
I think that this palette is obviously usable for all skin tones somehow, whether it's, you know, like an eyeshadow or contour, bronzer, highlight, blush. It has all use.
And then the Scoops palette.
It says it's a face and body palette. Body, all I can think of is using Beignet as like a highlight, you know, like here, shoulders. I liked it as a highlight on me. I think it was very poppin'. And then the blushes, they're very pigmented. They worked on both of us. They showed.
I mean, for blush, it's like, how complicated can it get? You just want like the pigment and that it goes on well, which it does that.
And the color range is perfect, I think.
Yeah.
Orange, a pink, and
it's like a orange, a light pink, and then like a reddish pink.
Yeah.
Kind of. Beauty Bakerie does a really good job of creating things that can really, it has like a wide range. Like I feel like a lot of like blush or bronzer palettes or just any type of palette when that's supposed to be for the face, it's always so limited, especially when it's for darker skin tones. And I feel like they always do a good job of making things that you can use. It's very universal. So
yeah, as opposed to having to buy like the light medium kit or medium deep kit. You could, like for freelancers, I think it's awesome because then you can just use it on all your clients, no matter what skin tone they are. So.
And I think like the pigment, like how pigmented it is, especially like a Coffee and Cocoa palette, like it's so easy to use it on your eyes. Like it's really a full face palette. It's not like you can only use it, you know, on your cheeks or whatever. Definitely works for everything. Yeah, so we loved it.
We loved it, and we think you guys will love it no matter what skin tone you are, how you're gonna use it.
Don't forget that if you have always probably wanted these palettes, or if by watching this video you're now interested in these palettes, all you have to do is go to our Instagram and we will have a giveaway on there in which you can win both of these palettes. It's not one, you win both of them, right?
Yes.
So head over there. Our username on Instagram is bronzeblog. and the rules will be listed on the post.
But make sure you enter quickly because it's not going to be up for long.
Yeah.
We're going to be picking a winner very soon.
Yes. If you like the Beauty Bakerie lip whips, which are smudge proof, waterproof, everything proof until you get the remover, it barely comes off with coconut oil. They have an amazing range of lip whips, and we did a video in which we wore 12 colors from that, so you can see how it looked on each of our skin tones, which is always helpful before buying something. So make sure to also check out that video.
If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe, like, comment below. What do you think of these palettes that we tried out? How would you use it? And be sure to follow us on our social medias on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter at BronzeBlog.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video, and we look forward to sharing more videos with you.
Bye!
Bye!